Ladies and gentlemen, so we're going to be looking at a concept called computer systems. Now, computer systems have different, you can say makes, different types, different models. And the model which we're going to be looking at is called von Neumann model of a computer system, which is basically like the Nike or Nike, depending on where you come from, and the Adidas of computer systems. So we're going to be looking at von Neumann. So ladies and gentlemen, we have a human being badly drawn by myself, where we've got a brain and we've got the heart. The heart is literally central in the human body, in my example. So let me tell you a little story about how all of this works. So we have our central heart. The central heart has access to our brain, which has our memories. Now, our memory contains, so imagine this block is a single memory, and it contains two things: a program and the data. So our heart has access to our memories, which contains, each memory contains a program to help us run, and our data, which is used by the program. Now, let's zoom in on the program. So you've got program, data. The program is made up of instructions, individual instructions. Okay? And what happens is this: the heart gets these instructions and runs them one by one. So let's imagine that step one was to lift my hand up. So that's that one done. Step two would be to squeeze trigger. That one done. So it does it in sequential order, a logical order, one at a time. Step three would be fire water pistol. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how a computer works as well. You've got the CPU. Oh, didn't mean to zoom out. Why do I keep doing that? This pen, I swear to you, is cursed. You've got the CPU. You've got our main memory. And you should know what main memory is by now. In the main memory, we've got program and data stored. Seriously. So program and data stored. And simply, it works the same way. When the CPU needs something, it has direct access to this memory. It will get it back from the memory, and I'll run it in a sequential order, one at a time. The instructions. Remember, the instructions in a single piece of memory, you've got the program and data. Inside the program, you've got your instructions. It's those instructions which are run in sequential order. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the von Neumann cycle, or architecture, shall we say.